Hello guys, welcome back to POD with Kawa, your one-stop destination for everything you need to know for selling on Zazzle and making passive income through print on demand. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how you can promote your Zazzle products to make more sales easily. Promoting your design is seriously a game changer and is very important to stay one step ahead of other sellers. And it can be a hassle if you don't know the correct way to do it. But don't worry because I will cover everything related to promoting your design for free. And yes, you heard it right, for free. Also, I'm going to show a website that will make it even easier. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. To market our product without spending money, social media serves as a valuable option, as social media has a huge number of customers who are looking for their products that match their needs. And in my view, Pinterest stands out as the top choice. Because people not only come here to buy products, but also for inspiration. And while finding inspiration, if they come across your design, then they like it, they will directly visit your shop and ultimately buy it. So we are now on Pinterest and I've searched for birthday invitation card. Before we make our own pins, which are basically like posts on Instagram or Facebook, but we count them pins as on Pinterest, we must observe how other people are making their pins. Pinterest is a highly visual platform, making it ideal for showcasing product images, designs, and merchandise. This is especially advantageous for POD businesses where the visual appeal of products is crucial. Also, users often turn to Pinterest for inspiration and ideas. As a POD seller, you can create boards and pins that inspire potential customers with design concepts, demonstrating your different themes of designs. And if they engage with your pins, they might directly visit your website or shop. All of them have given links to their website or shops, so if someone clicks the link, they will be taken to the shop. This person is also a Zazzle shop owner and has shared its design here. If we click on this link, we can see this seller's shop, and if I was a buyer, then I might buy their products if they match my requirements. Pinterest directly connects buyers with sellers. Also, Pinterest is a search engine, and your pins can show up in search results. By optimizing your pins with relevant keywords and descriptions, you can improve your discoverability and reach a broader audience. Now let's see how you can share your design on Pinterest. It's pretty simple. First, open the product you wish to share. Then we have to click the share button. Zazzle provides many ways to share your design, such as email, Facebook, and Pinterest, etc. You can either directly share this to Pinterest using Zazzle pre-made mock-ups, or you can create your own images for pins. However, if you are not satisfied with Zazzle mock-up pins, you can create pins yourself to attract more customers. Let's try making one pin for our product. So this is a customizable notebook that I made, and we are going to make a pin for this product. If you want to learn how to create fully customizable products, then you can watch my video in which I've shown the complete tutorial to create customizable products by clicking on that button or by clicking the link in the description. For creating our pin, we first need pictures of the product. And for that, here you can see many listing tools, and from there we have to click on the download button. Then you can download the pictures of the product from many perspectives. Just tap download to save any image. Now, after downloading the images, let's create our pin. And for this we will use Canva. So first we pick the best size for the pin. And Canva does give us just the perfect size template. So we just have to search and select it. In Canva you can create your own designs, or you can use Canva templates to make your work easier. And there are tons of templates, so you will never run out of designs. For now I am going to use this template because I like the overall style of this template. So now let's customize it. I'm going to speed up this part as it will make the video quite long. You should always use fonts and colors according to your product. The more efforts you put in your pin design, the more reach and attention you will gain. Also try to make pins that can make the customer click your pin. As a beginner, you can try making pins similar to other creators. So we are done making our pin. Now it's time to post it on Pinterest. So here we are on Pinterest, and to post a pin, we first need to click on the Create button from the top left corner. Then you will see these options. We will discuss the last two options in some other time, because these two are also very useful. But for now, let's click on Create Pin. Then this page will open. We need to select our pin after clicking this plus icon, or we can just drag and drop our image like I'm doing here. After that, we have to add a title. There are a few points you should keep in mind. Like the title should be relevant to your post and must have good keywords which describe your products. Or you can just use the title of the product from Zazzle. I'm posting it as an example, so I'm just taking the pin title from the Zazzle product title, but a bit of keyword research is always favorable. Now we will add the title and some relevant tags, which is super important. If you want to know how to find tags and keywords, then let me know in the comment section. Then I will make a separate video on this topic. Tags may include words about your product, like this is a college notebook. Don't forget that Pinterest is also a search engine, so if you are good with SEO, then you will get relatively better reach. Also, like I mentioned before, Pinterest is a visual platform, so adding tags related to how your products lose is also very important. Like this is a pink notebook with floral print. Now in the link section, we have to give the link of our product. And for this, we will again click the share button and then scroll down and click the copy link, and the link will be copied. Now we just have to paste it in the link section. Now we have to select the board for the pin. If you don't have any boards, then you can create one. And it is very important that the title of the board is also relevant to your product or design. As for the tags, you can basically copy-paste the tags we added in the description, but without hashtags and separated Y commas. Just like I'm doing here. If you turn on this feature here, you can also schedule your pins to publish them at a later date. Otherwise, we are done. Now just click Publish. While this pin is being published, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. It really helps me keep going. And our pin is now published. However, if you want to be free from the hassle of making different types of pins, then you can just download pre-made appealing pins from Creative Fabrica. You can find any type of pins for your product, and these all are made by experts, so they will definitely attract attention. And you can buy them at a super cheap price. And if you sign up now, you will get the first month free trial, and you can download 10 assets for absolutely free. So I'll definitely recommend you to give it a try. The link is in the description, so do check it out. And now it's time for our super useful website. I called it super useful because it makes creating and uploading pins super easy. Let's check it out. This website is called Tailwind, and it is especially made to make Pinterest easier. This website has many features. Let's discuss them one by one so that you make the best use of this website. The first feature of Tailwind is that it has its own pins maker. Here you just have to upload the mock-up images downloaded from Zazzle or any other images you made, and it will make you many different types of pins using AI. And if you like one of them, you can then use them as your pin. Here I will adjust the fonts and colors according to the design. And we will just select the best one from all these pins. As you can see, Tailwind lets you create dozens of designs, and all you have to do is to upload a few images. And after creating our image, we can use Tailwind Ghostwriter to make title and description for our pins so that it reaches more audience. We just have to give the link, what is the post about, and few other information, and it will give us a suitable title and description for our pin. Here, after giving all the necessary information, it is writing title and description with relevant keywords. And gives 3 different types of descriptions to choose from, so you can select the most suitable one for you. Now just click Save Details. And then it will take us to this page where you have to give the link to your product and select the time when you want your pin to be public. As you can see, Tailwind suggests the best time for you to upload your pin according to your audience and when they come online, so it's better to post it in one of the given times. And then after selecting time, we will select Community Pins and select Community Pins board for our pin. Community pins are basically a tool to get more reach. Its formula is pretty simple. You share your pins on their boards, and in return they will share your pins on there, so both the parties will benefit from each other's reach. Now we will just click the Schedule Post. Seems like I forgot to select a board for my pin. Let me do it. I'll select notebook board for this pin. Now we will just click on the schedule post. And we are done. Our post has been scheduled, and when the time of this pin comes, it will be automatically uploaded on Pinterest. Tailwind is free to use, but its free version gives 10 ghostwriting credits per month and 20 post credits per month, which is pretty good. However, if you want to make more pins and try ghostwriting with many different keywords, then you can upgrade to Pro, Advanced, or Max version. So I think this is all for today's video. If I miss any part or you want to have any questions, don't forget to ask in the comment section. And one more thing, I am really curious what kind of videos you want to see in future. Please suggest something. Also, I want to thank you for all your love and support because we have reached 300 subscribers. You guys keep me going, so I am thankful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.